In this quick tutorial, we're going to talk about refill and no refill services, why refills are important, and how you can request a refill for your order. Let's get started. Sometimes, the things you've purchased like followers, likes, or views might drop or get removed from your account. Why does this happen? Well, there are a couple of reasons. Platforms and social networks frequently update their algorithms. These updates can lead to the removal of what they consider fake followers, likes, or views. Unusual activity detection. If the platform sees a large spike in followers or activity, it might flag it as unnatural and remove some of it. This is where our refill guarantee comes in. If your order drops, we'll top up your account with what you purchased for free. Let's break it down with an example. Say your Instagram account has 5,000 followers, and you order 1,000 more. Now your total should be 6,000 followers. But if your followers drop to 5,500, we'll refill those 500 missing followers and bring you back up to 6,000 free of charge. But there are a few important things to keep in mind about the refill guarantee. Time frame matters. Refill guarantees have a time period, which varies by service. Most of the time, it's 30 days. If your order drops after the refill period, unfortunately, we can't refill it. Initial number matters. If your total followers drop below your starting number, for example, from 5,000 to 4,500, we consider that drop unrelated to your order, so it won't be eligible for a refill. Now, let's talk about no refill services. These are services that don't come with any guarantee. If 100% of your order drops, we won't be responsible. That's why we highly recommend choosing services with a refill guarantee for better reliability. Finally, let's talk about how to request a refill. It's super simple. Go to the ticket section of your dashboard. Create a new ticket and include your order ID. That's it. Submit your request, and we'll take care of the rest. So, that's everything you need to know about refill and no refill services and how to request a refill. Thank you for choosing our platform. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our support team.